know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Hey, it's time for your Shed Wars update. And I'm not going to spend too much time out here because it's raining. So this is what I got going on. I'll flip it around and I'll show you. You guys can see it a lot better from up here now, without me even getting close. But all of them are starting to do a lot better. I'm about to come out here and do some more thinning, but like I said, it's raining right now, so some of them got spread around. Oh, flip you back around here. Some of them got spread around by squirrels running through or whatever, so the seeds kind of got spread around, but they're all coming up well, so I'll be thinning some out over here. But as you can see, we've had a lot of gray skies like that, and you get sun every once in a while, but that's why it's not really too big yet. So hopefully here in the next couple of weeks we won't have as much rain. But that's the Shed Wars video for Saturday, and we will see you guys next week.